Ever since Bitcoin became the greatest returning asset in financial history, everyone has been chasing the next big opportunity. What you're about to hear is why more and more people every day are starting to believe that Sosana could be the next 1000x play. But let's be honest, crypto is broken. Yes, it has created massive wealth, but it has also been flooded with scams, rug pulls, insider wallets, sniper bots, and worst of all, an overwhelming flood of new tokens every single day that look identical to real opportunities. This creates the biggest problem in crypto today. Investors jumping from one hype project to the next, losing money until they eventually give up. We call this shiny object syndrome. Sosana was engineered to solve this problem. Even our name was chosen as an homage to all the people who have suffered from this dreaded trap. Shiny object syndrome and nothing accomplished. Because the truth is, you cannot do this alone. No individual can sort through tens of thousands of tokens and consistently find winners. But imagine this instead, an army. A community of people all working together, trained and incentivized to find quality projects and bring them back to the group. This is called crowdsourced intelligence. And Sosana has built the first true system in crypto that rewards it. Here's how it works. You buy and hold Sosana, join the community, and participate in a simple nomination and voting process every 2 weeks. Week 1, projects are nominated. Week 2, the community researches and votes. Then a winner is selected, and here's where it gets powerful. 1% of every transaction feeds a reward pool. That pool buys the winning token and distributes it directly to the voters. So, if you nominate the winner, you get paid. If you vote for the winner, you get paid. And even if you simply position early, you can still get paid. Because in crypto, the biggest advantage isn't being smarter, it's being earlier. And Sosana gives you that edge. Now combine that with this. As more people join, transaction volume increases, the reward pool grows, and buying pressure expands across both Sosana and the selected projects, which creates a powerful cycle. More users, more rewards, bigger impact, more attention, leading to even more users. And as the community grows, the intelligence improves, the picks get even stronger, and the opportunity gets bigger. Sosana doesn't just help you find better projects. It puts you in front of them before the rest of the world knows about them, while giving you the opportunity to get rewarded just for participating. This is what the crypto market has been missing. A 1000x potential project whose only purpose is to put you in front of other huge token projects every 2 weeks for the rest of your life. And once people understand it, it is going to go absolutely viral. So the real question is, do you want to keep chasing, or do you want to be early for once? Get your Sosana tokens now. Be early. And finally, put yourself in the position where you are no longer chasing opportunities, you're in front of them.